In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 2v1 FC24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play with a friend if you have two controllers on the same platform. You will be able to queue up together and both of you will go against a single opponent. Keep in mind that the focus of this video is going to be if you just want to play with someone else who is on the same console as you. If you have 3 people and you want to set up a 2v1 match, then sadly I'm not going to cover that in this particular video. Now, if you have an additional controller, make sure that it is connected to your platform, either PlayStation or Xbox, and once the controller has been set up and you assign a user account to that controller, you will be good to go. So assign the user account and then the controller will now be set up. Now you can go to any mode that you want to play. The main one that people do are seasons. In seasons, you can queue up with 2 people and you will actually be matched up in 2v1 matches. So you and a friend will be playing up against someone who is alone. Now, when you go into seasons, all that you have to do is look for this option here, guests, and press the corresponding button. On PlayStation, it is going to be the triangle button, but on Xbox, of course, this might differ. So just press the corresponding button, and immediately upon doing so, the secondary player will load in and you will be able to play together, sharing the same screen, playing against a random person online. Alternatively, you can go into different modes, such as the co-op lobby, to play together and set up a match however you prefer. You can invite people online, but for a couch co-op in particular, where you share the same screen with 2 controllers, you have to do it through this method. And as long as you go there and you press the guest button, you will be able to load in with a friend and play together. I hope I was able to help you with how to play 2v1 FC24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.